Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share subscription boxes and shopping hauls, makeup, beauty. Anyway, today I have something from Boxycharm, something I got in the shop, and I'm really excited about it. I got something today from Ipsy. It's the edit from the elfedit. It has several products and some of the full-size products and favorites, elf products. So anyway, I'm gonna go through it and share it with you, and so let's get to it. Okay friends, first of all, I'm gonna show you that they have, it came with a bag. The things just came in this box here. So here's kind of what it looks like. It has a bag. I love this. It's like a plum. It's beautiful velvet bag. And what I like about it is it has two compartments. So anyway, two zippers. And so you can keep things separate in it. It's just a nice little bag. So that came with it. And then I actually got an email from them a few days after ordering this saying that they left out the mascara that was supposed to come in this box. So it's without the mascara, and I know they're sending it, and I have a feeling that they'll send more than just the mascara. When they make a mistake like that and they catch it, a lot of times they'll compensate you with something. So I'll be curious to see what that is, but I didn't want to wait to get it because it's not coming for a few days still. So the mascara I can't show you, but that it's called the Big Mood mascara in black. It's a full size, big, bold, plumped up lashes with this volumizing and plumping mascara. The dense hourglass shaped brush separates and defines each lash for a bold look that lasts. So I'm looking forward to that. This whole thing, what this is, it says why you'll love it. It give your beauty routine a major glow up with this collection of elf cosmetics and skin favorites, featuring 7 full-size products, the most ever packed into an Ipsy edit. This set has everything you need to take your glam to the next level. So I'm kind of excited. I have one extra thing in here that I did purchase, but one of the first things I'm going to pull out here is this is the elf. This is the Power Hydrating Core Lip Shine. Hydrating Core Lip Shine in Ecstatic. And it's a full-size 2-in-1 lip balm. Nourishes and conditions your lips while adding a sheer kiss of color and shine. Plus, the heart-shaped core is so elfing adorable. So anyway, let's open it up and see how cute this is. Okay, see, here we go. Look, it's got the heart. I don't know if you can see that. The heart in the middle there. It so I'm actually going to try this because my lipstick is worn off that I had on earlier, and I'm going to see what it does. Okay, it does give color. All right, it's almost a purple, which it doesn't taste good. Ooh, but I just did my purple look. I just shared that video, and I think this would look good with the purple look. So I'm excited about this. It's just, anyway, it feels good. It feels smooth, and it's a lip balm with color, so I like that. So it's supposed to be moisturizing and whatnot. So the next thing I'm going to pull out here is the Power Grip Primer. This is the base Power Grip Primer. That's what it looks like. And it has niacinamide in it. You know, when I like when makeup products have skincare in them. It's a 24 milliliter full size. Get the same makeup gripping power of the brand's OG primer. now infused with 4% niacinamide. The sticky gel-based formula helps your makeup stay put while also helping to smooth and brighten your skin. So I'm excited to try it. There's that. The next thing, I've got the Halo Glow Blush Beauty Wand right here, the Halo Glow, and it is in Pink Me Up. Okay, it's 10 milliliter, full size, and it's a rosy pink blush. Features a cushion tip applicator. And it has a skin-loving squalene infused formula to leave you with a radiant flush of color. So let's take a look at this. It looks kind of like it could be a light, but let's see. Oh, there's what it looks like. Wow, came out pretty quick. Okay, I like this. I think I might try just a little bit here. Let me do it. I'm looking at the camera. I can't really tell what I'm doing here. But let's see. Let's see if it gives me a little bit more fun color. So I'm just gonna kind of brush it in here. Okay, rosied up myself, didn't I? Okay, that's fun. I like it. The color is beautiful. It just blends into a pretty little, you can make it lighter. I'm sure it's buildable too. So anyway, that's the third thing. Well, actually it's the fourth if you count the mascara that's not here, but anyway. So the fifth thing that was in here is the skin bronzing drops. I have these in so many other brands. I've been wanting the e.l.f. ones, so I'm kind of excited to get this. I use the bronzing drops almost every day. I usually put them in my foundation. So let's see here. Let's see what these are about. Okay, so I think, anyway, here's this. I'm going to get back to this in a minute. And we'll try it out. But first I want to show you the other two things in the box. And that is, these are both skincare, like face makeup melting cleansing balm right here. And this is face cream. So let's see what it says about the makeup melting cleansing balm. It's 56.5 grams. Melt away makeup with this Luxe cleanser that transforms from a balm into a milky oil. Sounds great. These formulas are really popular right now. Melt away makeup with, anyway, it leaves your skin feeling silky smooth thanks to hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. So once again, you've got skincare in your cleansing balm. And let's take a look at what's in here. Okay, so it has a little scoop. I always like that. That's fun. And okay, so it is like it's just like a cream inside. So it's just like a cream. Okay, curious to see how this works. I'm actually really excited about it. There's a lot of product in there. So this is cool. Yay, I'm excited. So there's a cleansing balm, and the second one is the face cream. It's fragrance free. It's 1.7 ounce. I didn't put this back in here. Oh, wait. I kind of like that it has the little, I love when they have the little scoops in them. Don't want to lose it. Okay, so this is plump, hydrate, and brighten your skin with help from this Dream Cream. This lightweight daily moisturizer packed with hyaluronic acid, once again. niacinamide and peptides for all day hydration. So this is basically wash and hydrate. And this is, like it says, it's fragrance free. Although I kind of smell a little something, but anyway, this is, it's just kind of a milky, lotiony type. Yeah, feels good. So, you know what? I'm really excited about these two products. These are really fun. So, I may start using those right away tonight. Anyway, so there's that. Then I bought extra. They had the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. So there's what it looks like right here. Now what I do is, I already rubbed that in, but we'll see if this still works. I take the blush, the glow drops, and I just mix them in with my foundation. I think I showed this on another video. So I just take a little bit of it, mix it in, and then I put it on my face. So I don't really need it on my face right now, so it's going to be a little darker the way I did it. But anyway, so that just looks like that blends right into my skin right here. So, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm excited about these. I think these are just what I was looking for. I use the Glow Recipe ones now every day. These seem real similar. e.l.f., it's such an affordable brand, but it also has great quality products. So that's one great thing about e.l.f. I'm loving this too. This is really fun. This whole box. So as far as the e.l.f., the edit, I got the 7 products. Well, I have one coming still, but this is was $34.99. It was an $88 value. So once again, e.l.f. isn't like really expensive, but $34.99. I got the cleanser and the moisturizer. I got the primer. I got the lip. The kind of purplish ecstatic is what it's called. I really like this lip balm with color. And I got the, did I already say, no, I didn't say the blush. This is really fun too. I'm excited about that. And the glow drops, yes. And the mascara, which isn't here. And then I picked up extra the e.l.f. foundation. I do like this foundation. I believe I've used it before, but you know, it's comparable to some of my favorite more pricey foundations. So that's a good thing. So there we go for the e.l.f. edit. Super excited about it. It's still available on the website if you want to run and grab it. I think it's well worth it. Just because they're all great products. They all are. So, and it's fun. If you do like e.l.f., it's fun. The next thing I'll just show you, I picked up one more thing, and this is from the new company. This is Water Therapy. Okay, the reason why I got this, I might give it as a gift. I have one, but I love the smell, and I love the concept of it. So this is supposed to be kind of like a mood setting. They call it water therapy. It's supposed to be kind of a stress reliever or whatever. But it smells wonderful, and actually the smell lasts quite a while. Anyway, like I said, this is what it looks like. It smells wonderful. I think my daughter would really like it, so I thought if I get it, I'll either keep it as a backup, or I'll maybe give it to my daughter. It says just use daily or as required to relax and recenter. It's a functional fragrance, so it's not just a fragrance, but it's functional and to help you de-stress and unwind. So it has a patented technology with, it has sandalwood, seaweed, clary sage, and fir with marine salt and amber accords. So anyway, I think it smells really good. I really like it, and the thing is it does de-stress. It does. So I usually keep this by my desk or when I'm working or whatever, and I just put it on during the day or whatever, or in the evening, and it does help me relax and de-stress. So I would recommend that. I don't know why it's not showing me the information on it. I don't know if it's still in the shop. It probably is. I just don't want to take the time to look through it right now to find out. But check it out. It's, again, the new company. It's called Water Therapy. There's a good look at it. And there's the back if you want to screenshot that or whatever. So anyway, love it. So I had a fun package and all came with this really cute bag. So that's it for my little elf edit and my Ipsy purchase. I just got some more things on the way. So and I just did my picks and for the next boxycharm. So I'm sure we're starting a new month again. So we'll be back into that kind of thing. So anyway, thanks for being here. Let me know what you think. Do you like the elf edit? Do you like elf products? And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.